Okay, now think how to do this question, right? Here they tell whether if area of the circle A is equal to twice the area of circle B, find the value of x, right? This is discuss about area now, right? Okay, first of all, we need to think, okay, we need to get this one area and this one area, and you have to make equation, and by solving that equation you can find the x. Normally when you have to find unknown value, keep mind most of the time we have to build the equation, right? And then you can solve it, get to that unknown value. So here also like that, this one area and this one area we need to find, and then find mean including this x value you need to make a area here, and this one area, this circle area also. Then with that information, what they tell now, area of A is equal to twice of area of B. Using that you need to make equation, that means this area equal this one area, like that you need to make equation, then solve it, then you can find the value of x, right? Keep mind when you have this type of question, that's the normal idea. When you have unknown value to find, you have to build sometime equation including that. Okay, now this one area, how to find? Very simple, phi r square. No, this is complete circle. No, very simple, phi r square. Okay, now here are they given like this, what the x plus 4. So here we need to write phi. For the r I need to write what the x plus 4. Okay, I will put it inside the bracket. Now here r I replace, right? X plus 4 square. Here are they given x plus 4 like that, no? So for the r you need to put that whole thing, what the x plus 4 square, like this. Now this is the area of this circle. Okay, now here also same idea, phi r square, no? And here also you need to find what the phi r mean here, what the here x plus 1. So you need to put, for the r you need to replace x plus 1 square. Now this is the area of this circle, circle B, right? Now you need to think little bit when you make here equation, what they tell, area of circle A equal to area of twice of the area of circle B. Now think like this. Now if you got like this 10 and 5 for example, right? 10 and 5, 10 and 5. Now you know 10 is equal to twice of 5. So if you need to make these two equal, what we need to do? 10, this one you need to multiply by 2, no? This is twice of the 10, this is twice of the 5. So that's why 5 you need to multiply by 2. Try to, this is very simple idea. This simple way I need to explain here. So that's why keep mind same thing here. This is the small one. Circle B area is the small, right? Because they tell no, area of circle A is equal to twice of the area of B. That means B area is the small one. So that's why here also like that, this small one you need to multiply by 2 to equal to this one, bigger one. It's like that. Here also we need to multiply the area of B by 2, make to equation equal to this one. Like that. Remember this example, because some are think, no, this is the bigger one, so it should be 2 here. No, this area you need to multiply by 2, like that. No, here the small one, that's you, this area is the small one, you need to multiply that one by 2 to make equal to this. Very simple idea. Keep mind this example for that, right? Okay, here we have to multiply 5 by 2, right? Right. Okay, so what I will do, this area, this area 5 x plus 4 square, that means area of the A circle A is equal to this one, small one. This one you have to multiply by 2. This area of circle B you need to multiply by 2 to make equal to this one, right? So that's why I will multiply 2 into this area of circle B, right? Now this is the equation. Now you have to solve this, then you need to find what the value of x. Okay, let's see, try. Now you can see both sides we have 5, right? So in the equation both sides you can divide by a same number or multiply. So I will divide this side by 5, this side also divide by 5, or simply you can tell 5 to 5 cut like this. Okay, here to here cut, here to here cut. So here you will get x plus 4 square, and here you get 2x plus 1 square. Now we need to solve this, right? Now we don't need the circles, no. Okay, let's see, simplify this. Now here, this is, you need to remember how to simplify this. Someone can tell, if you need to do this, you have to do like this way, the x plus 4, and again because square no here, so then again x plus 4, x plus 4, and multiply by this, you need to multiply this 2, and by plus 4 you need to multiply again this, like that. But there's a easy way to get this answer, but the that final answer, you have another way get it easily. You can get it how? This first term is square when you have like this. Basic idea here, inside the bracket when you have two term, and here square inside the bracket when you have two term, and the close the bracket you have square. When you have that type of situation, this is the procedure, get to final answer quickly. But the first term is square, this one is square, so I will write x square. First term into second term, that means first term multiply with the second term and multiply with the 2, always with 2. Whatever number doesn't matter. First term multiply with the second term and again multiply with the 2. So x into 4, 4x, 4x into 2, it will be 8x. And here finally, now first one is square, first term into second term into 2, then second term is square, that means 4. Here 4 no second term, that one is square. 4 square means 16. Right, now we did this side. Okay, here we have to multiply, it's okay. Let's see, do this one first. This inside the bracket, this thing you don't need to put curly bracket, right? But here I put okay, here how we can get, again same thing, no, inside the bracket you have two term and close the bracket, here we have square. So same way we can get, but the first term is square, that means x square. First term into second term, that means x into 1, 1x, or x into 2, it will be 2x. Here 2x, and then 1 square mean again 1, right? Right, now now by 2 you need to multiply, so I will do that also, right? X square, here 8x, here 16. 2 into x square, it will be 2x square. 2 into 2x, it will be 4x. 2 into 1, it will be just 2. Okay, now I need to bring this all terms to this side, because why? I need to get here quadratic equation. I will get quadratic equation. Here you can see here x square we have, so that's why we put all the terms to one side, other side I will make 0. You have to feel it. When you have x square something to slow, it will maybe most of the time we will get quadratic equation. So I will bring this all terms to this side, right? So here I will write like this way, 0, here 2x square. When I bring this x squared here, it will be minus x square. Then here we have plus 4x. When I bring this plus 8x to here, it will be minus 8x. Then here we have plus 2. Again, if I bring this plus 16 to here, it will be minus 16, like that. Or you can bring hold the thing one side and then simplify, it's okay. I wrote like terms together. This is x square, here also x square, so I wrote those two close to each other. Then 8x and 4x like terms, so that's why I put this 8x to close to this one, like that. Okay, now what the answer? 2x square minus 1x square mean just x square, right? 4x minus 8x mean what the answer? When you have different sign, we put the bigger one sign and get the difference. So here 4x minus 4x, and here plus 2 minus 16, what the answer? Minus 14. Okay, like I told you, now here we got a quadratic equation. Now you need to solve this quadratic equation and find what the value of x. Okay, let's see, do that. I will use here this formula, what the quadratic formula, right? Okay, I will write it here, x equal minus b plus or minus square root, what the b square minus 4ac over 2a. You can see this formula you can get from the formula sheet, some 4ac, right? Okay, now let's say apply here. But the x equal b mean this value, this is the b, this is c, right? This is a. Here in front of x square we have 1, so but it still we can call as a b c. This value has a, this value has b, this value has c, so right. Okay, here for the b we have already minus sign from the formula. B mean here again minus 4, so I will put here inside the bracket minus 4, and then plus or minus, inside the bracket we have b square. B square mean b mean minus 4, no, minus 4 square, minus 4. A mean here plus 1 and c mean minus 14, right? Okay, now what I will do, here we have what the 2. A mean again plus 1, right? Now you need to simplify this. Okay, here the minus into minus, it will be 4 plus 4, then plus or minus, here will be what the minus 4 square mean minus 4 into minus 4, right? It will be 16 plus 16, and then minus 4 into 1, here multiply this all at 1 like this, minus 4 into 1 minus 4, minus 4 into minus 14, right? It will be, right, plus 56 over just 2, right? Now you need to simplify this, right? Okay, now I will show you this part in next page. Okay, now here will be, right, I wrote it again. Now here plus or minus, what the 16 plus 56 mean, 6 plus 12, 1 here 72 over 2, like this. Now you have to get the square root of 72, right? When you got square root of 72, it will be 8.22 decimal place, right? 49, right, over 2, right? Now you know how to do the rest, right? Here will be what the you can write x equal plus 4, here 1 of this sign, plus sign I will put first, plus 8.49 over 2, or x equal plus 4 minus 8.49 over 2, right? Now here you will get what the 14, when you add 4 plus 8 mean it will be 12, no, sorry, 12.49 over 2, or here will be what the minus 4.49 over 2. Now you have to get this answer. 12 divided by 2, you can use calculator to get these answers, right? 6.2 6.245, but then you can round off it. Or here x equal, when you divide here, minus 2 point, this will be 2 again, 45. When you round off this to 2 decimal place, it will be 6.25, right? Because this is more than 5, no, sorry, equal to 5, no, we have to add 1 here, so that's why. Or x equal minus 2.25. This is the final answer for x. That means that in the circle, that x value will be this, right?